left piece from the bucket. Well, here is the thing that I got from outside, including 12 pens. It is an intense location. Connection. I have 3 parts. These are drawings from my past times. I even don't remind now when I was drawing and when I did a bit. But you see in details. Tree still, arboretum, the eye. So there's another. I said what? Years ago. Another painting, sub paintings, and today I just for a side a writing of it about Atatürk and the 3 sisters. Souvenirs I get captured from Atatürk for the first time, the signals, and also I just get signals from the teddy bear. Yeah.